short video about how to start Annie the Bugeye. One turn of the key to the click to the right. It just goes 45 degrees. You hear a rattling in the back as the fuel pump. Tick, tick, ticking fast. That's off. You should hear it there. That's way you know it's on. You go into neutral with the clutch out and the brake on. That puts less stress on the throw-up bearing. Anytime you step on the clutch, the throw-up bearing's under load, so we start it with it in neutral. So we're in neutral, the key's on, and I'm going to try to start it. It starts with no choke, but it runs a little rough because it's cold, so I pull the choke out and you can hear it smooths out just a little bit. Too much choke and it goes blub, 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 so I want to ease it in. If I can get the choke off and it runs smoothly or a little smoother, that's how you start it. So the choke is only used if it doesn't work without it. You try to get the choke off as quickly as you can. And then I go into second with the clutch in and first, and the dog is ready, the brake goes off, and remember the clutch take up is very rapid, so I move the clutch pedal very slowly, otherwise you lurch forward. And the brakes require more pedal effort than you would think, but if you push hard, you get great braking action. They're not power brakes like most people are used to, but they work great if you push hard. And that's how you start your new Bugeye. Turn signals are here, and they flash in the center here. And you want to shift the transmission sort of gently but firmly. You don't want to race to shift it, but it's more like there's a little half-second beat between shifts. Boom, boom. So to go from second to third, boom, boom. So there's just the slightest of pause in neutral. And that's how you operate your new Bugeye Sprite.